Presenting to you my my good friend Charlie. She's a nice squirrel. She lives next to my house in that park, and well, she eats in my hand. She come and grab those peanuts in my hand, like a good little fella. Yeah. I'm not super stable on my feet, but if I do that, I'll be more stable. So there we go. How about your peanut? Good peanut? Tastes good? Yeah. I know, right? I'm a friendly little fella. I know. As you are. It's okay, my friend. I'm just stabilizing my hand. Hey, that's Charlie. That's Charlotte. So this is Charlotte, aka Charlie. She's kind of my pet without being my pet, you know. She's the neighbor because she lives in that park right behind me, and she's pretty friendly. She's a cute little fella, right? So as you can see, there's positive stuff in life. Always keep positive, guys. Right?